Don't know if you can see it. Getting unloaded here shortly. And you're probably wondering, what happened to my other tractor? I'll fill you in soon about that.
Whoa!
So, I'm not sure if I'm going to include the footage when this got delivered about 4 days ago. It actually had a large fiberglass canopy on top of the ROPS bar, and I knew it was going to be close. My garage doors are 8 feet tall, and it was like so close, and it was just rubbing as I was pulling in. I was like, it's not gonna fit.
Idiot! Stupid moron! Ah, I'm such an idiot! What was I thinking? Well, of course you...
Anyways, so I had to remove the canopy. That was kind of a pain in the butt to do, but I got it done. So I might just title it, What Happened to My John Deere 3039R? Well, long story short, yes, that was my dream tractor. Cab tractor, heat, air conditioning, mower deck, snowblower, everything. Some unforeseen issues came up. I had to sell it.
What?
And it crushed me. I was so just bummed out about that. But it is what it is. So I haven't done any videos in a while, and figured I better get one out there on YouTube since it's been a little while. So it's a 2025 model year, 2038R, a large 2 series tractor, and still got the plastic on the seat. And I mean, it's really a nice tractor. I looked for over a month trying to find something, and to find something that was affordable and not sold with low hours. Yes, I would have liked to have had the mower deck already included, but that could be added next year. At least wanted the loader. So I found this about 100 miles away at a John Deere dealership. Called them up, made the deal. They delivered it, and yeah, when I got here it was covered in snow and road salt. So yesterday it got to 40 degrees around here, so I took the pressure washer out, rinsed it all off, got rid of all the grime and ugh. And but today, a little different story. It's only about 15 degrees out. So the story on this thing is the guy who bought it had a 6-foot finish mower put on the back, and I guess he owns large property, and he just figured it was just going to take too long for what he wanted, so he traded it back in and got a large 4 series. and I guess he's got like a big 8-foot finish mower. So hence the fact that low hours, pretty much literally brand new still. And so yeah, this is what I got for now. So I figured I'll just do a quick video and kind of at least get it out there on YouTube land. So I was going to get footage of doing the driveway using the bucket. It is nerve-wracking because you have to make sure you got the bucket tilted at just the right angle so you don't dig into the pavement, or I'm sorry, the blacktop. I was tempted to put like the UHMW plastic underneath the bucket. Obviously drill some holes, mount it and all that. I don't know. I was really thinking about doing that, but now it's like, I might just consider buying the snow pusher, an HLA snow pusher. It seems to be a very popular model, and seen a lot of YouTube videos with people using them. So I should have videos on whatever I do. I don't know yet, but I'm leaning towards the snow pusher, so stay tuned for that. Okay, that's gonna do it. Thanks again if you watched this far into the video and listen to me just ramble. Until then, I'll have more stuff coming out shortly. Take care, and we'll see you soon.